If it's your first time cruising on the Genting Dream, here's what you can expect on a sea day. I'll show you the best places to eat, what to do, must-visit spots around the ship, and a few helpful tips to make the most of your cruise. Good morning! It's day 3 of our Genting Dream cruise and we're heading to the Lido for breakfast. I was actually expecting a long line this morning, but to my surprise, we got in almost right away. Even though we weren't among the early diners, there was still a great selection of food available with Western and Asian dishes plus a dedicated halal certified section. With so many choices, I took a quick walk around the buffet before deciding what to put on my plate. After breakfast, we passed by the pool deck and saw a Zumba session in progress. Sea days are a great time to enjoy the ship. Whether you want to join the activities, go for a swim, or try the water slides.
Itutour ko kayo saglit dito sa pool area. Ayan yung DJ, may live music. Medyo malaki naman, pero marami rin talagang tao ngayon. Pasok tayo ngayon sa water park. So perfect to sa mga bata at kids at heart. Andito na kami sa taas ng pool deck. Andito kasi yung mga slides. May small slide, then meron din yung mahaba talaga. Nandito naman kami ngayon sa jacuzzi and ang init ng tubig. Dito pala sa jacuzzi area, kailangan 5 people lang. Hindi pwede sumobra, papalabasin kayo. Okay din lunchtime mag-swimming, pero huwag kayo pumunta dun sa open area. Dito kayo sa jacuzzi, meron siyang may cover at meron din siyang wala. Andito ulit kami sa Dream Dining Chinese kasi masarap talaga dito and naghabol kami ng time ngayon kasi until 2:30 lang yung lunch. Kapag magko-cruise kayo, dapat alam nyo yung time kung kailan sila open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner and kung anong oras din yung closing time nila. Kasi may mga cut-off yan, kaya wag yung sagarin yung time nyo kasi baka hindi na kayo makakain and mapagastos pa kayo. Sayang din yun kasi inclusive to eh. Kasama na siya sa binayaran nyo sa cruise. Medyo matagal nilabas itong appetizer namin, tsaka itong soup kasi peak hour ngayon. Halos puno nga dito sa Dream Dining Chinese. So minsan daw sa Function 8, ino-open din nila yon to public. Pero same lang daw yung menu dito tsaka sa Function 8 kasi sobrang dami talaga kumakain sa Dream Dining Chinese. Try na natin itong soup nila. May seaweeds and fishballs. Lasang fish talaga itong soup niya. Lagi talagang may gulay dito and chicken, napansin ko. Try naman natin itong appetizer niya. Squid siya with garlic and sesame seeds. A bit spicy. And medyo matigas. Hindi ko siya gusto. Meron pa rin tayong hipon. Favorite ko talaga itong Dream Dining kasi lagi silang may hipon dito. So, nung day 1, check nyo yun. Naka 3 plates kami ng prawn. Try natin itong sweet and sour pork. Next, try natin itong veggies niya. With, ano siya, goji berry. Ang lettuce pala to. Bale, set menu. Pero tingnan nyo naman, ang dami naming pagkain, di ba? Tapos, pwede pa mag-request ulit. Kaya sulit talaga dito. Try naman natin itong fish niya. Medyo iba yung color. So, baka spicy na naman kasi may spots of red. May pagka-curry na may konting spicy. Mas spicy pa yung appetizer. Try naman natin yung fish. Mas masarap yung sibas na nakain namin the other day. Dito talaga sa cruise, iba-iba yung makakain nyo. May Malaysian, may Indian. So, kapag hindi kayo mahilig sa food na yon, mababawasan na yung mga choices nyo. Now, try na natin tong hipon. My favorite. Pero hindi na siguro kami makaka-order ng additional kasi medyo busog pa from breakfast kanina. Late kasi kami nagising. So far, mas masarap talaga yung shrimp nung day 1. Pwede rin kayong humingi ng gloves sa kanila if ayaw nyo magkamay.
With lunch over, it was finally time to explore the rest of the ship. Let's explore it deck by deck. Our first stop is Deck 5 where you'll find the meeting rooms and the ship's clinic. It's always good to know where the clinic is just in case you need medical attention during your cruise.
Andito rin sa Deck 5 yung Function 8, isa rin siyang restaurant dito.
each floor din, meron silang monitor where you can check the daily activities and menu. Andito naman tayo ngayon sa Deck 6. Dito sa Deck 6, yung Silk Road. So, hindi siya inclusive restaurant, meaning may bayad dito kapag kakain kayo.
This deck also offers family-friendly activities where kids can join in and have fun. This is also where you'll find the reception and shore excursion desk if you need assistance or want to book a tour. For a quick coffee break, the Lobby Cafe serves drinks and light snacks. And if you're looking for souvenirs, head over to the Souvenir Mart for official Genting Dream merchandise. You'll also come across Bar 360 where you can claim your complimentary welcome drink and enjoy live entertainment. One of the highlights of Deck 7 is Dream Dining Lower, one of my favorite restaurants on board.
May mga shops din dito and I think naka 50% discount sila ngayon kasi bukas na yung disembarkation. If ever na gusto nyo uminom ng water, kaso ayaw nyo yung tap water dun sa kwarto, although safe naman, safe to drink daw ang tap water sa Singapore. If medyo nag-aalanganin kayo, pwede kayo pumunta sa casino, may mga water dispenser, pwede kayo kumuha dun ng hot water and cold water. Blue Lagoon is also located on this deck if you're in the mood for something different. If it's your first time on board, forward means the front of the ship, while aft means the back. You'll also find Zodiac Theater here, where the ship's live shows and special events take place. During our cruise, we were able to watch the Tianfu Kong Lion Dance competition here. Deck 8 is all about dining and entertainment, with bistro, tributes, the art gallery, and bubble champagne bar all on this deck. Dami talagang Pinoy dito. Bigla kaming kinausap. Kamusta po? Bawat sulok dito, may makikita ka talagang Pinoy.
You also find Dream Dining Upper for complimentary Western cuisine, along with Umi Uma and Hot Pot for specialty dining.
Andito tayo ngayon sa may boardwalk. So, dito yung restaurant na Hot Pot na hindi siya inclusive restaurant. Meaning, may bayad siya. Tapos dito, may ice cream shop din. May bayad din yan if gusto nyo ng ice cream. Super laki talaga nitong Genting Dream Cruise. As in, hindi pa nga namin na-explore lahat until now. Day 3 na namin ngayon. And bukas disembark na. So, andito na tayo ngayon sa Deck 9. So, puro staterooms na yan. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 until 15. Yung mga rooms pala dito, walang number 4 kasi sa Chinese, ang 4 is si. Tapos sounds like si, ibig sabihin niya patay. Kaya walang number 4 sa mga rooms.
Deck 15 is where you'll find the spa, the salon, and the ship's gym. Whether you want to relax or stay active, you'll find both on this deck.
Andito tayo ngayon sa The Oasis and inclusive restaurant din siya. Wala kayong babayaran if kakain kayo dito for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Western cuisine din yung sinaserve nila dito.
Finally, we have arrived at Deck 16, where guests spend most of their time during sea days. This is where you'll find the ship's main pool deck. You'll also find an arcade here with games available for an additional fee. Andito na tayo ngayon sa the arcade. So, itatap nyo lang yung keycard nyo and automatic matcha-charge na yan sa inyo upon disembarkation. So, ang suggestion dito, pag tap daw, ilayo na daw yung card kasi baka ma-charge ka na naman. Medyo mahal din dito, no? Kasi naka Singapore dollars din. Walang tao dito, kami lang. Walang naglalaro. May bayad kasi, syempre sino gusto magbayad, diba? Dito sa may pool deck, yung Little Dreamers Club. Perfecto sa mga chikitings nyo. Dalhin nyo sila dito and for sure mag-enjoy sila dito.
Smoking area din pala itong pool deck. Itong Lido, may outdoor and may indoor. Then, sa tapat ito ng pool deck. Tip ko lang sa mga magli-Lido, dalawang side yan, may left and right. Pagpasok nyo, dun kayo sa right side, mas walang tao dun, mas walang pila. Same lang naman kasi yung ino-offer. Kahit saan kayo magpunta, ganun din yung buffet. Dito yung left side, mas matao dyan. Tapos dun sa kabila, may pila rin yan. Yan yung right side, mas walang tao dyan.
Most of the ship's outdoor attractions and recreational activities are located on Deck 17 to 19. You can go for a jog, relax at the Sun Deck Bar, or join the foam party at Zouk Beach Club.
Quick update kung nakakahilo pa rin ba. So far, day 3 na, hindi na siya nakakahilo. Totally wala na ako nararamdaman. And yung takbo ng cruise ship, medyo nasa normal lang. Siguro nung kahapon, day 2, yung merong shore excursion, siguro mabilis yung takbo niya. Kasi ramdam mo talaga yung vibration ng dagat. Or baka naman kasi umulan. Umulan nung madaling araw eh. So ngayon, okay lang naman, smooth lang. Kahit sa Dream Dining kanina sa Deck 7, hindi naman malakas yung galaw ng ship. Dito yung way papuntang Water Slide Park. So mas mahaba yung slide dito.
There's also Zouk Nightclub where you can enjoy bowling, racing simulators, and darts before it transforms into a nightlife venue in the evening. If you're looking for more adventure, you can also enjoy mini golf, table tennis, rock climbing, and the ropes course. Before ending your tour, be sure to visit Deck 19 for one of the best panoramic views of the Genting Dream and the open sea.
Andito na kami ngayon sa Deck 15 sa The Oasis. Medyo konti lang yung choices dito and western cuisine talaga, so walang rice. May pasta lang, then salmon, may seafood sila dito, and pork ribs. Try natin if masarap pa. Ito yung vegetable soup. Medyo creamy siya. Mas parang may hint of spicy din. Very mild lang. Masarap naman siya. Try naman natin itong pasta niya. So far, yung masarap is yung salmon. Then, yung ribs, medyo matigas siya. Although, masarap yung sauce niya. Medyo matigas din yung pasta. More on, seafood, pork, and vegetables.
Now, let me give you a closer look at tonight's dinner buffet. For starters, you'll find a vegetarian soup, a fresh salad station, and a variety of cold cuts. The main dishes include fettuccine with light cream sauce, salmon fillet with saffron sauce, boneless chicken leg with teriyaki sauce, vegetable caponata, seafood gratin, and barbecue baby back ribs. There's also a dessert station along with fresh fruits, coffee, and tea.
Medyo may pagka-fine dining din itong The Oasis. Pero mas fine dining talaga yung sa Dream Dining Western. Kasi may plating pa talaga doon yung main course. And dito sa The Oasis, sariling kuha kayo ng food. Doon sa Dream Dining Western, yung main course, hindi yung sariling kuha. In-order talaga siya sa sadya, tapos hihintayin nyo na lang na ma-serve sa table. Kapag gusto nyo mas tahimik na vibe, punta kayo dito sa The Oasis kasi maliit lang siya and wala masyadong tao kumakain dito. Tapos, malapit din siya sa toilet. Yung ibang resto kasi, karamihan, medyo malayo rin yung lalakarin papuntang toilet.
Andito naman kami ngayon sa Deck 6 kasi babayaran na muna namin yung shore excursion para bukas pag disembark, hindi na kami matagalan. Ang daming tao ngayon dito sa lobby, sa reception. Siguro babayaran na rin nila yung balance nila.
Last vacation ko nagpunta ako.
Nakapag-payment na kami. So, ang saya. Filipino yung cashier dito sa reception. Yung binayaran namin is 4,900 plus for the shore excursion. 3 packs na yun. Ang ginamit kong pangbayad is GCash card. Kasi kung credit card, mas mataas yung charge. Tapos yung rate din nila, kung naka-peso is 50 something. So, 5,000 plus daw yung total namin. Pero so far dito sa GCash, nag-reflect is 4,900 something lang.
Need na rin kunin ngayon yung passport. Dinidistribute na nila ngayon dito sa reception area malapit.
Nakuha ko na yung passport ko. Ready to disembark na tomorrow. Ini-stamp din pala ng Thailand yung passport namin.
Just a quick reminder, don't forget to complete your Singapore arrival card. You can use the ship's free Wi-Fi to submit it. As our cruise was coming to an end, Color My World was the perfect way to end our final night on board. The performers were so talented and we took the opportunity to get a quick video with them after the show.
I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. Please subscribe to my channel para maabangan nyo yung mga next upload ko about Genting Dream Cruise. Kasi hindi pa nagtatapos dito yung vlog ko. Just check out my Singapore playlist and matutulungan ka niyan sa next travel mo.